Hi everyone, welcome to my graduation vlog. Hi, so this is really weird. I'm actually wearing a dress, which doesn't really happen on my channel, but it's, you know, the once and only graduation in your life, so I'm trying to make an effort. I tied my hair into a ponytail. So yeah, I spent this morning getting ready and stuff, so now we're gonna head to UCL and hopefully the graduation goes well, and I'm gonna be wearing a robe and everything, so let's go. Okay, so I'm ready. I added a blazer and now I'm gonna head to UCL. I am definitely wearing trainers for now because I'm not gonna wear heels for a 20-minute walk there, so oh well. Isn't this the weirdest combination you've seen? Trainers and a dress. I guess we're going in. That's UCL grab, let's go.
Gary is over there, and if you head straight up, you're going to reception there and he'll meet you up.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you can have one of those. Yeah, that's fine.
Looking behind you. Okay, if you take this one over to the other side.
Okay, thank you. Morning. Should I let my pole?
How you feeling?
Good. This is so weird. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. It's very weird. Oh well.
Get you like a broccoli bouquet or something.
Wow, thanks.
Look at this. I came Cambridge, guys.
Oh, wow.
First time in forever. Okay.
This one enough?
This way?
Thank you.
No. Took some photos. Look at that. Nice. Got my photos, and then we're gonna head to the hall, I think.
Yen Shan. Daniel.
Yeah. Hi, how do you feel? This is so
Am I gonna be on?
Yeah, you're gonna be on my vlog. Finish. Nice. My feet hurt so much. Yo. 2, 3. So at this point, we kind of just made our way to the main quad to take some photos. As you can see from like the previous few videos, the actual ceremony only lasted for around just over an hour, and it was mostly just listening to people talk and give speeches, and then you kind of just go on stage for like your glorious 10 seconds, and then that was it. But overall, it was a really nice experience, you know, just like a once in a life thing, but I'm really grateful to be able to be there and stay with my friends. Okay, let me just... I can't believe that's over. It took so many photos. I'm so tired now.
That's so good. That's okay, cool.
So that was my graduation. I thought I'd jump on here and just, give a few thoughts of how I feel. Obviously, like from the video, you could see it was just like that short period of time in the middle. That's the actual ceremony. But actually, I was just really grateful to be able to be there. Obviously, I look back and I'm like, it's quite a boring ceremony. It's not like anything happened. I kind of fell asleep during the ceremony. My hat fell off and everything. But I'm really happy to be able to see all of my friends again and people from the Bartlett. So it was really nice to have that and just chat with people. And at the same time, it is a weird feeling because it is kind of the last time you're in the university. Obviously not the last, but like the last official one that you're there. So it feels a little bit weird. Also, my parents were not able to make it because they're not in the country and there's quarantine rules because of COVID. But I also want to say here, like, thanks to mom and dad for sponsoring my education here in the UK and London. And I'm really grateful for this opportunity and also just meeting all these amazing people from the Bartlett and tutors. So I am eternally grateful and just really, yeah, it was a good time. And also thank you to my sister for being there, acting as my parent, and she helped me take lots of photos. To be honest, I feel like graduation is just photo taking, right? Like you're just taking a bunch of photos, which is I guess why I put in so much effort. People didn't believe me that I owned the dress and I did my own makeup. Anyways, that's not the point. Yeah, I had a really good time, and moving forward, it's going to be a weird time. Actually, right now I have a lot of thoughts going on in my head, which I will post about in my next video. But yeah, that's kind of how I've been feeling right now. So yeah, thank you so much for all of you who joined me on this journey going through architecture school. I really, really appreciate it. And I feel like last year has just been so magical, doing all these amazing projects and also just documenting my journey and resonating with a lot of you here. I'm sorry that I'm not able to, reply to your messages like as often. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes as well. So I hope you guys understand. But from the bottom of my heart, I really, really appreciate all your support. Moving forward, I don't know what the journey is going to be like, but I can only thank you so much for staying here. And yeah, thank you so much. And I guess the last thing is thank you to myself for pushing through and working really hard throughout my time at Bartlett and just making all these wonderful memories. So thank you to everyone. Thank you to you, my parents, my sister, my friends, everyone who supported me, myself, and the universe, my tutors, and the universe. And yeah, thank you so much. And see you in the next one. Bye.